I'm here with an oil hack that I wanted to share that will help you to diffuse. I know it helped me. It was a game changer for me. So here's the tip. So here's my diffusing table. I have the diffuser here, the oils here. And then this is a bottle that I made at paint night, and I just recycled it to contain my water for the diffuser. That way, every time I want to diffuse, I don't have to run to the bathroom or to the sink to get water. It's all right here. So hopefully that helps you. I know it was a game changer for me. So happy diffusing.
So, do you have a favorite oil you're diffusing right now? Let us know in the comments. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy this type of content. I try to post videos weekly. Thanks for watching.